Well, hello, powerful manifestors. It's Victoria Gallagher, the Law of Attraction hypnotist and #1 best-selling author, Practical Law of Attraction, and the creator of the Believe Hypnosis app and the Powerful Manifestor Mastermind. If you are ready to reprogram your mind to attract money, more confidence, success, you're in absolutely the right place. Now, before we dive in, go ahead and subscribe, click the notification bell so that you can make sure that you get alerted to my videos every time I create one. I'm going to share powerful tools to help you to manifest with confidence and consistency. So let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest money really easily while others struggle no matter how hard they try? Why is it that you can believe something consciously that you really do deserve that abundance, yet your results just don't show it? Well, the truth is simple. It's not your desire that is the problem. It is your subconscious programming. Most people end up failing with the law of attraction because deep down inside, their subconscious mind is still running old beliefs like money's hard to earn. I don't deserve wealth. It's not safe to have a lot. Well, today I'm going to show you how to hypnotize yourself rich using a simple, practical 3-step process that helps you to install new money beliefs that make manifesting $10,000 a month inevitable. All right, so step one, we want to prepare your mind, reset your subconscious. So, the very, very first step to hypnotizing yourself rich is you want to create the mental state where your subconscious actually listens to you. You can't exactly reprogram your beliefs when your mind is all stressed out, when it's busy brains. So here's how you do it. All you do is simply find a quiet space, sit comfortably, close your eyes, take a few slow, deep breaths, and every time you exhale, you just quietly say to yourself, I am safe to receive. And this signal, it signals your nervous system that it's okay for you to relax, to open up. And as you do this for a few times, you're just going to allow your brain waves to shift from that busy beta brainwave state into a calm alpha state. And this is the bridge into your subconscious mind. So let me know in the comments, have you ever noticed how your very best ideas and insights come when you finally let go and relax? That is the alpha state that makes hypnosis so powerful. So that's the very first step, is getting yourself into that alpha state where your brainwave slows down. The next step, step two, is where you're going to start the magic, the reprogramming of your money beliefs. So once you've gotten your mind into that really calm state, the next step is to plant these very specific financial programming suggestions into your subconscious mind while it's open. You see, your subconscious mind responds to emotion and repetition, not logic and reasoning. It doesn't care whether it makes sense or not. It doesn't care whether it's true or not. It just accepts whatever you repeatedly tell it to do, especially when it's done in a state of heightened emotions. So instead of saying, I want $10,000 a month, you want to say something like, I now easily attract $10,000 a month with calm and confidence. When you're saying that calm and confidence, you want to actually feel what it's like to feel calm. You want to put yourself into the state that allows you to really shift into what does it actually feel like to receive and attract that. The more you can just allow yourself to assume that state of confidence, that state of calm, then the more you're going to start to believe. Your mind believes whatever you feel and whatever you repeatedly tell it. All right. Money comes to me through my ideas, through clients, and through inspired action. Now, again, these are not just words. You want to see yourself doing that. You want to feel yourself doing it. You want to put yourself into the experience of what it's actually like when that happens. Then you say, it's safe for me to be wealthy, safe for me to. So, what does it feel like when you're safe? Assume the state. This is the first level of attracting, right? Attracting states from within yourself is going to attract all of the outer stuff that you want to come in. And so repeat these suggestions a few times for a few minutes, imagining what that $10,000 actually feels like. Does it feel like relief? Does it feel exciting? Does it feel like freedom? Does it feel like gratitude? So the key is feeling the truth. The emotion is what convinces your subconscious that it's actually possible. And that's when everything starts to rearrange itself inside of your mind to actually match it. So, what would $10,000 do for you right now? Go ahead and let me know in the comments. Let's make it real by naming what it would actually do for you. And then the third step is really about conditioning the belief every day. Consistency is what creates that permanence. Self-hypnosis isn't just a one-time event, it is a training process. So spend 10 minutes every day reinforcing this new belief. And you can also do that by incorporating some visualization, visualizing your bank account increasing, feeling the gratitude like this actually happened. Speak your affirmation, speak it slowly, speak it confidently. Actually, put your body in the right posture as if you really do believe what you're saying. Every single time you repeat this, it is building new neural connections inside of your brain until wealth becomes your subconscious default setting. So here's something people overlook. You don't have to you don't have to force these results, right? Your mind automatically looks for the alignment with whatever it believes is normal. When abundance starts to feel familiar, when it starts to look familiar, it becomes an inevitable part of your life. So I would just want to know, do you already use affirmations? Do you use visualization? Do you use hypnosis? Let me know in the comments and let me know how you have been using them. And let me know if they have been effective for you. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I would love to help you with a future video to help you with whatever areas have been a challenge for you. All right. So if you are ready to make this real, I've created 2 amazing resources for you that's going to help you to totally integrate this process much faster. First, download the BELIEVE Hypnosis app. Inside this app, there are over 1,000 hypnosis sessions that are all geared toward you manifesting success, money, abundance, all kinds of things. And there's 2 particular sessions in there. One that I just created is about manifesting 20K months. And the other one, if you're ready just to start manifesting 10K months, if that's all that you can really wrap your mind around right now, manifest 10K months. All right. So we've got the 20K months and we've got the 10K months. We also have $1,000 a day. We have manifest money in 48 hours. There's all kinds of fun manifesting programs in there. And you can use those also just to help yourself. You can do the self-hypnosis. You can do it on your own, which is great, which I just taught you how to do. Or you can relax and let me do the talking and the hypnotizing for you. I've been doing this for 26 years, so I kind of know a few things that you might say to yourself that'll actually help speed the process up. These recordings are completely professional hypnosis recording to rewire your subconscious automatically. So this works even when you're relaxing, especially when you're relaxing. So download the Believe Hypnosis app. And if you're really wanting to take this up a notch, if you're really serious about mastering manifestation at an even higher level, then join me inside my community of powerful manifestors in the Powerful Manifestor Mastermind. And this is where we do a lot of live subconscious rewiring. We have accountability to help you to create that consistent cash flow and confidence. So join the Powerful Manifestor Mastermind. You're going to get live trainings, hypnosis, community of like-minded manifestors walking the same path as you. And remember, your subconscious is your friend. It is your most powerful ally. Once you teach it to believe that wealth is safe for you, that it's normal for you, that you deserve it, then money flows naturally. All you need to do is reprogram it for the success that you want to achieve in your life. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with someone who is ready to manifest their financial breakthrough. You are meant to thrive. You are meant to live abundantly, and it all begins with the power of your mind. So, with love, with belief in your success, I'm Victoria Gallagher, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.